Alright, so now we are ready to write our whole system of equations into a matrix. And when I do this, let's go ahead and turn each one of these equations into standard form. Alright, so this is going to look kind of weird here. So standard form. The reason why I need to put it in standard form is because that's what an augmented matrix, that's how it accepts each one of the equations. All the variables will be on the left, and the constant value is going to be on the right-hand side. For every single one of these equations, when we subtract the variables over to the left-hand side, our constant is always going to be equal 0. Okay, so on the first equation, I have to take this d and subtract it over to the left-hand side. Now when I do this, I'm going to go ahead and list out all the variables and put zeros in front of them if I don't have them. It'll help me whenever I put that into a matrix. Okay, so I've got 4a, 1b, I don't have any c's, but I subtracted that d over, so that's minus 1d, and then everything else is 0, so plus 0e plus dot 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 equals 0. Everything else was 0. Alright, now on the green equation, we've got an A. I'm going to have to subtract the two e's over, plus, oh, I forgot all my plus signs on that previous equation. So plus in here, plus there, okay, both butter. Okay, plus 0b plus 0c plus 0d minus e plus 0f dot 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 equals 0. Okay, excuse me. Now do the same thing for carbon, but make sure you do it in red. Okay, so I got a 6a plus 0b plus 0c dot 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 plus, no, it's not going to be a plus, it's going to be a minus h plus 0I is equal to 0. Okay. Nitrogen is next. 6a plus 0b plus 0c plus dot 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 minus g plus 0h plus 0I equals 0. Okay, man, this one's going to be nasty. Right, let's see. Okay, what do we need? We need pink. This is the pink equation. So I have 0 A's plus 4b plus 4c minus 4d minus 12e minus 4f minus 3g, running out of space here, minus 2h minus I, all that's equal to 0. Man, they had everything in it except for A. Unbelievable. Alright, harvest here. I'm going to have a 0a plus 0b plus 2c minus d plus 0 e and f minus g plus 0h minus I equals 0. Oh, except that's a 2I. Alright, one last equation. Yes, we're almost there. Okay, it's the gray equation for what may or may not be sulfur. 0a plus 0b plus c minus d minus 3e, beep, forgot my 3, minus f plus zeros on everything else, dot 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 equals 0. So then we're going to turn this into a matrix, and that matrix is going to look sorta, kinda like this. Ta-da! Okay, so what I did is I put up at the top an A, a B, a C, D, E, F, and I, just so it was very easy for me to fill in each of those numbers and double check it with each one of my equations and put zeros where they're supposed to go. Okay, and then of course in the calculator I would ref this, reduce row echelon form, and when I do, this is what I get.